what next? I thought about this a little bit earlier on, but focusing on maybe bringing some smaller companies that want some support from Veblen into the community. That's kind of next on my in my journey, and I think I just really want to. There is a lot of advice when starting a board journey to be on boards from really different industries so that you don't get into too much of the doing mode. Because if it's something you're comfortable with, then you can get too much maybe involved in the action, if you like. And ideally, you want to be, you know, guiding and supporting and asking strategic questions and, you know, providing the governance overview and not getting too much involved in the day-to-day running of those businesses, which I can see the temptation if it's like, you know, where you're really comfortable.